Hey guys, welcome back. And we're making a chapati Rolex with my leftover chapatis. So I happened to make some chapatis yesterday for dinner and I wanted to transform them to some nice breakfast. So let's do this. Spoiler alert, this takes less than 10 minutes to be precise. So you chop all your vegetables, tomatoes, onions. You can add bell peppers, you can add a cabbage, you can add any vegetables you have. You can also add some chilies if you wish. So you chop all of them. For me, I will be using tomatoes and onions for this. If you're new here, karibu sana. My name is Mawa. We do our content based on homemaking, lifestyle, parenting, and all to do with getting our lives better. So if that is your kind of content, remember to hit that subscribe button, share, comment, let me know how you like this, and please check out our previous videos. They are amazing.
Spills across the floor. Shadows whisper they want more.
Chapati Rolex is majorly made in Uganda as a street food.